It's 8:15 a.m. in Peoria, Arizona, suburban Phoenix. A little chilly this morning, but I waited for the sun to come up before I started my ride. And when the sun comes out here in the Phoenix area, it can warm up pretty quickly, but it's still kind of chilly. Let's ride. It's December 10th, so it's not terribly cold, but I've got my heavy-duty gloves on. I call them ski gloves, even though I guess they're for riding bikes. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start by turning around, putting the sun in my back, so I can see where I'm going. My regular followers know that I always like to go north by northwest. This road is called Desert Cove, and we're headed due west. If I just kept going west, I'd be in California, but I'm not going to go that far. I'm going to turn a little bit north here and go north by northwest, which is not only my favorite direction, it's my favorite movie. One of the advantages to riding something you can carry stuff on as opposed to just jogging is you can start taking off things and putting them in the bag. So first thing I take off is the heavy gloves and trade them in for lighter gloves. I don't remember looking at the weather this morning, but it was probably in the high 40s, and it's now in the low 50s, so it's starting to warm up a little bit. Next thing I take off is the sweatshirt. I can do that out in public because it unzips all the way, and it isn't like I have to take off my shirt, but when I get to the next steps, then I have to find a place to change in private. The next thing that I take off is my long-sleeved undershirt. It's a compression shirt with some lining. It's very warm and comfortable, but when the sun comes up, it starts to get a little bit too warm. So I usually change in like the bathroom at the park or in one of the places where I stop. I don't like stripped to the waist out in public. It's just not something a gentleman does. What a gorgeous day, and it's almost Christmas. This is the best time of the year to be in the Phoenix area. I just love it here. By the way, if you're wondering what this sounds like, even though I turn the sound off because the microphone makes it sound like there's a hurricane going on, it's just wonderfully quiet. And I love listening to the sound of the quiet. I hear the birds, and if there's a car going by, I'll hear it from way off. I don't listen to music or plug my ears or anything. I'm listening to the world around me. It's just wonderful. And if it gets really hot, which it did today, I take off the shirt and I carry along a lightweight tank top and put on a whole bunch of sunscreen. I got very badly burned the summer I was 21 or 22, tubing down the Salt River, and it was an important lesson to learn what sunscreen was and to use it. Lesson learned. And yes, you can get sunburned in the winter here, so if you're visiting, throw on a little sunscreen. It smells good. Good for your skin too. Yeah, I know I worry too much. Okay, we're coming up to Cactus Road, and I'm gonna head on over to Jack in the Box for some of their coffee and avail myself of their facilities and disrobe a bit there. I like getting out real early in the morning like this, even though it's kind of chilly. It's warming up pretty nicely. It's probably in the mid-high 50s by now. Thank you for riding along with me. I really do appreciate your coming along with me. And please like, let me think what else. Oh yeah, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Let's be careful out there.